Hi everyone, hope all is going well so far with Math 2500. Let's go over a couple of the problems that I assigned for exercise 5.1. We'll focus on the chart that is in your textbook, and the chart for question 5.1 is on page 146, and it says calculate the missing values, okay? And I assigned problem 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, so what I've done here is I've just put those problems in a chart for us, and I looked at the formulas that we have to use, okay? So the formulas we're going to use are n equals L, and then multiply that by 1 minus D. So what that represents is the net price that we're going to pay equals the list price, and then multiply that by 1 minus D, and it's a small d, so that represents, as you can see from the chart, the discount percentage, okay? So that's one of the formulas we can use that gives us what we need. N equals L minus big D is another same formula, because if you multiply out the first one to get rid of the brackets, it gives you the net price equals the list price minus the discount amount. Okay, so net price equals list price minus discount amount. Okay, and as you'll see through these problems, we're going to change these formulas around, just like you did in the review of math for the algebra. So if we need to solve for the discount amount, then it's going to be discount equals your list price minus the net price. Okay. And then if we need to figure out what the discount amount is, then we know again by multiplying out the first equation, the n equals L, and then in brackets the 1 minus the little d. If we multiply L little d, list price multiplied by the discount percentage, then that gives you the discount amount. Okay, so let's give it a try. So for the first problem, as you can see in the chart, and I've written it out again, we've got the list price. So I've written it out. I find it easier to do it that way if you write out what you know. Okay, so we know the list equals $249, and we know that the discount percentage is 0.33 repeating, okay, or 33 1/3. I've changed it from percentage to decimal. Okay, so we need to know what the discount amount is. So we've got L, and we've got the small d, which is the percentage. So let's look in the formulas that we know we can use that will help us with this. And we know if we multiply the list price, multiply that by the discount percentage, it'll give us the discount amount. So that's one of the ones we want to solve for. So let's have a look here. So we've got the 249, multiply that by 0.33333 is $82.99, or $83 if you want to round up, depending on how many repeating threes you had. And then now that we know the discount amount, we can figure out what the list price is, because as you can see here, the net price equals the list price minus the discount amount. So let's have a look here. So we've got our list price of $249 minus our discount amount of $82.99 gives us our net price of $166.01. And you may have it rounded to $83, so therefore it would be 166 and no pennies. Okay, so now let's look at the next one. So for problem 3, we've got the list price of $127.98. We don't know what the discount percentage is. We don't know what the discount amount is, but we know what the net price is. So let's take the L and the N and look up here in our formulas and figure out which one we have. So the formula that'll help us right now is net price equals list price minus discount. So what we need to do is, again, manipulate that equation. So we've got N equals our list price minus our discount, or if we fill in the amounts, 106.65 equals 127.98 minus the discount. So what we know next is if we switch it around, we know that if our list price minus the discount gives us our net price, we know that our list price minus our net price gives us the discount amount. So we know D equals 127.98 minus the 106.65. So therefore our discount amount is $21.33. So now we have our discount amount, but we need to figure out what our discount percentage is. And if you look here, our discount amount equals our list price multiplied by our discount percentage. So we need our discount percentage. So we need to take this formula and change it around. So let's have a look. So if we've got our discount amount, we've got our discount amount equals our list price multiplied by percentage. We want to get our small d, or the percentage by itself. How do we do that? We take this first formula and divide both sides by L. So by dividing both sides by L, it leaves us with the discount percentage equals discount amount divided by list price. So therefore, we have the discount amount, which was $21.33, divided by our list price of $127.98, gives us our discount percentage, or decimals, of 16.6667%, or 0.166 repeating. Okay, so problem 5, we don't know our list price, we know our discount percentage, we know our discount amount, and we do not know our net price. So the two that we know is our discount amount and discount percentage. So looking back to this one again, we've got our discount amount equals our list price multiplied by discount percentage. So we have two of those variables that will help us solve for the list price. So let's go down here to to problem 5. So again, we've got our discount amount, which is going to be $612.50, equals our list price multiplied by our discount percentage. So now we need to change the formula around so that we can have the L, or the list price, by itself. So we're going to multiply both sides, we're going to divide both sides by the discount percentage. That will leave us with L, our list price, equals our discount percentage divided by our too many D's. Our list price equals our discount amount divided by our discount percentage. Okay, so our discount amount is $612.50. Our discount percentage is 35, or 0.35. So you take $612.50 divided by 0.35, and that will give us our list price. Our list price is $1,750, $1,750. Okay, so now we know what our list price is. We know what our discount amount is. So we come up here. If we know what our list price is and our discount amount is, then we can figure out what our net price is by using this formula. So our net price equals our list price minus our discount amount. So $17.50 minus $6.12. $612.50. Sorry. There we go. Our list price, which is $1,750, minus our discount of $612.50, leaves a net price of $1,137.50. Okay, so let's move on to problem 7. We're running out of time because this is a 15-minute video. So let's, okay. Okay. Okay, so for problem 7, we know what our discount amount is and we know what our net price is. So if we fill that in, we can change it around so that our list price equals our net price plus our discount amount. Okay, so by doing that, we know that our list price is our net price, which is $15.07, plus the discount amount of $12.33 gives us a list price of $27.40. So now we need to figure out what our discount percentage is. So because we know what our discount amount is and we know what our list price is, we can figure out what our discount percentage is. So again, we need to change the formula around to get little d by itself. So that translates into discount percentage equals discount amount divided by list price. $12.33 divided by $27.40 gives us a discount percentage of 45%. All right, and let's get number 9 done before we run out of time. Okay, so we need to know what our list price is. We need to know what our discount amount is. So the things that we know are our discount percentage and our net price. So if we go up here to the formula, discount percentage and net price. So the easiest formula to use is your net price equals our list multiplied by 1 minus our discount percentage. So we look here, and again, we need to multiply out the right side. So we can, 1 minus 0.125 gives us 0.875. Divide both sides by the 0.875 to get the L, or the list price, by itself. So list price equals $28.49 divided by 0.875 gives us a list price of $32.56. Net price equals list price minus discount amount. So therefore, discount amount equals list price minus net price. So our discount amount is going to be $407. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, everyone.